how to find all of your skills in Claude Code CLI. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can find all of the skills that are associated with your Claude Code CLI account. So the first thing that we're going to do is run the Windows PowerShell as an administrator. And once you have done that, simply go to the shell and type in Claude. Now hit the enter key and this particular operation will launch your Claude Code. Now, once you're here, in order to view all of your skills, what you can do is either type in a prompt, or more easily what you can do is simply type in a / and type in skills. Now, as you can see, it is a recognized system command which lists all of the available skills. So simply hit the enter button and you will see all of the skills that you have in your Claude Code CLI. Currently, I do not have any skills, so it shows me no skills found. But in your case, if you have loaded any skills in your Claude Code, it will list out all of those skills. And then in order to go back, simply click or press the escape button and you will be back to your Claude Code. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.